Hi everyone, hope you're having a lovely weekend. I'm back again with a general reading. Let's see what's in store for today. It seems like the last couple of readings I've done, they seem to be like linked up, like for the, I don't know, quite the same, but let's hope there's something else that's coming in today for you collectives. I hope you're all having a nice weekend. Yeah, I'm about to start. Let me just, bear with me a moment. I'm just going to do a bit of smudging. Smudge all these cards. I got a lovely gift today. I do have another business and it was one of my customers. And isn't that beautiful? It's really cute. I love it. Yeah, lovely little gift. I had surgery 7 weeks ago, quite major. And it was a gift she had hold of for me. She should have given me it earlier, but what a lovely surprise. It's absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, let's see what's going on with everyone today. Cleanse all them cards. Okay. I've got my white sage burning. You know what? It's absolutely lovely, this. It's like, I do actually feel like it clears my head. And I'd recommend anyone to buy this. It was from Amazon. It wasn't the cheapest, but, you know, really nice. I just like to light it when I do my readings. Okay. Hello, spirits. Can you give me some messages today, what the collectives need to know? Ooh. I'll put that back in because they didn't get quite a good shuffle then. Let me know what the collectives need to know today. And also, spirits, any bad negative energy or spells or anything, any hates that's come towards me, and please keep my collective safe too. Could you send them all back to the sender? I can't do with drama. I just want peace. And I'd be very grateful if you do that, spirits. Thank you very much. Okay, let's see what we've got. Let's see what we've got today. Let's see what we've got coming in today for our collectives. So we can give someone some good news today or guide someone on the way if it resonates for you. It may not resonate for everyone, as I say. You know, you're free to leave the channel. If it doesn't resonate, some parts may resonate to you. And don't forget, it could be for male or female, so switch the roles. And I do say he or she for whatever card comes out, but as I say, you can flip the roles. Don't think anything wants to come out. What's going on? Right, come on, collectives. Give us some message, spirits, for these collectives. Give us some messages. Ooh, we got one. Okay, we've got the Three of Cups here. I can see someone's going to be having some kind of reunion, a celebration, get-togethers. This is like socialising. Maybe a wedding, an engagement party you're going to, a graduation, baby shower. It's celebrating happy times. So there's some happy times coming to you. At the bottom of the deck here, we have the Seven of Swords, but it's reversed. don't know whether you've had something going on where you're trying to find out some truth in life, but the person who's on your mind is going to be coming forward with some kind of confession. He's going to be coming clean. He's going to be turning over a new leaf. So you have got that. This person is going to come forward to you. So I hope that helps. Let's go in. Let's see who this person is. Spirits, oh, please let me know who this person is. Please guide us. Guide the collectives. Who's this person that wants to come in? There's some confessions. Let's turn that one over. Wow, how mad is that? Now we've just got the same card again, but it's in reverse again. And as I say, yeah, it's telling us again, this person's coming in. I don't know what it could be. You may know what it might mean. Maybe you're waiting on some truths and that. Maybe for someone to come forward to you. Maybe something's been going on in your life and, you know, you want someone to come clean and honest towards you. Well, that's coming in for you. Bear with me a moment. Oh. Oh. I think this person that's going to be coming in, because we've got like the King of Cups here and it is upright. I think he's the one that's going to be coming in towards you. So take it how it resonates. It could be like male or female. It's quite a trusting, whoever's going to come towards you. It's going to be like I think there's going to be truth in the clarification that you've been waiting for. Because the King of Cups is a truthful man. He's caring, healing, a good advisor. He's someone who understands motivations, a man in touch with his emotional life. He can be a good friend. He's mature, so he's wise as well. And he's an emotionally stable person. So if that's your person, he is coming in towards you with some truths. So it's something you've been waiting for, but it is coming towards. And at the bottom of the pack here, we've got like the Knight of Cups. Oh, this sounds nice, whether you're single or maybe it's a past relationship. I'm not too sure, but we've got the Knight of Cups. Now, I think this person is going to be coming towards you, this King of Cups, like with a romantic proposal, an offer, invitations. He wants to take action. He's like, he's coming in with his heart. He's very attracted to you. He wants to date you. He is your ideal man. He's a really intelligent person and he's full of ideas and proposals. So this person that's going to be coming towards you is going to be true. So don't be frightened if this happens. That was on the bottom of the pack, wasn't it? Bear with me. What's this proposal? Spirits, tell me what this proposal is. Is it past or is it something new that's coming in? I feel as if it could be past, because I feel as if maybe in your past you've been dealing with someone like a bit shifty, someone like not telling the truth, someone who's deceitful, bit of a trickster, bit of a player. A lack of conscience. I do feel as if like you've had this in your past, But I believe like this, we did say, didn't we, that about, where was that? It's, yeah, he's like, if he's turned over a new leaf, and now he's coming in as the King of Cups. So maybe he's had some manifestation going on in his life, and he's changed, and he's coming towards you now. Maybe he's a bit fed up being Mr. Shifty. And he wants to come in like true and grounded. So let's see, what's his intentions? What's his intentions, spirits? What intentions does he have to come in? Oh, that is quite a lot. Can't take all of them, but do you know what? That is quite a lot to take. I'm going to take what's happened here. I think they've all just turned the other way again. Bear with me. Bear with me. What's going on here? They did come out, but somehow they've turned the other way, so I'm not going to take them. Right, spirits. Sorry, spirits. I think you would give me a lot of messages then, but it was a little bit too much for me to take in at once. Can you tell me what this person's intentions are? Why are they coming towards my collective? I know we've got like good intentions. So you can confirm whether this is a past relationship or whether this is a new relationship that's coming in from a collective. Please clarify, spirits. Okay. We've got like the Queen of Wands here. So we've got the King of Cups, the Queen of Wands, and then we've got the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. I'm getting a bit confused here. Is there more than one person? Like, I feel like someone's coming in from your past who's been a little bit shifty in your life. Bit of a player. And then I've asked, you know, his intentions and stuff and who it is. And he's coming out as the King of Cups. So I was feeling as if like he's had a little bit of healing. But then we've got like the Queen of Wands, which is like a confident person, very attractive. I think this could be you. I think this is for yourself. I do think I have got, or you can take it out, it resonates, the gender in the right order. I feel as if the King of Cups is coming in. He's seeing you as the Queen of Wands, like a good business sense, like himself, confident. He sees you very attractive. He's quite like, he sees you quite magnetic. He's quite like stuck to you. I feel like this is like a mature woman who's very loyal, generous. Like a homemaker as well. She's a very grounded woman. She's got like a priorities in the right place. If this is you, you concentrate on your home, but you have got a good business sense as well, so maybe you've got like a little business going. But the cards are telling me here, like, be a little bit careful on your spending. I feel as if like you're spending a little bit more than what you should be spending, you know. Hold on a little bit. It's just, I feel like you need to put that money aside, you know, because there could be like lack of opportunities. You may need that on standby, you know. Be careful with your money. That's what the cards are saying. We've got the devil here as well, which is upright. I feel like there's been some kind of addiction around you, or a person around you with he's got like addiction. He's been suffering like with depression, mental health. He's got like issues with his ego, a big ego. That's what I said there, didn't I? Could be a person in the past there where he's coming clean. This could be him where he's coming forward. This could be like, you know, he's quite abusive. He could be violent as well. Very sharp tongue, hateful. Dependency problems. I feel it like well, he is. The devil is very controlling. I think that's what you've been dealing with, like in the past. So be careful of this person that's going to be coming in towards you, confessing, because we're getting the devil here as well. Maybe he's not telling you the whole truth. So just be careful there. Bear with me. Yeah. Yeah, someone's broken your heart. You've had your heart broken in the past. I think you've gone like through a lot. It's not, you know, it could be like a third party again. But you're releasing that pain now. I think you've had time to overcome the depression. And the spirits are telling me, you know, to forgive and to forgive yourself. And, you know, to enable you to move on and heal fully. Because you can't move on without that. And as we see, like, someone is coming towards you as well. And, you know, there's going to be some kind of reunion. Maybe it's someone from the past. Maybe it's someone new. We'll clarify this in a minute. I'm going back to your money again. We've got the Seven of Pentacles in reverse. I don't know whether with what you've been going through, like, because I'm seeing you like as a strong business person, full of confidence and that, but I think this, what's gone on around you, what you've been going through in this situation has been really hard for you, and I feel as if like you've lapsed a bit, like in your business side and your financial management, and you're not finishing what you've started, if you get me. That also resonates with the card here, but like about your spending and stuff, it's saying like be careful with your spending, so just watch out for that. That was on the bottom of the pack, so let's see what else. Spirits, please tell me more. Please tell me more about this, what this collective needs to know. Any guidance you can give her. Help this collective move on. Let's give her some guidance, or him some guidance. Ah. Okay. We've got the high priest, high priest. I can't even say it. I think you might have been married to this person in the past, because I can see traditional institutions, traditional values, conformity, marriage, commitment. There's been some kind of commitment. I can see religious beliefs, knowledge shared and building with someone. I think this is the person that's going to come back with some truths. But we did get the devil card, didn't we? And he has come out again. And that's showing me a lack of trust. That he's not healed on his side. He's still got like a lot of work to do on himself. And I think you know this, because when this comes in, we have the 9 of Wands in reverse. And you're going to refuse to compromise. I think he's going to come in a bit like defensive. A bit careless. Someone with a weakened immune system. A foolish defensive position. But you are going to refuse that offer, because I think that you know who this person is, what you've been through with this person. You know, again, we've got like the devil again. As I said there about a weakened immune system, and I'm going about like health, but it was like mental health, and, you know, he's a liar. This person, I think what he's going to do, he's going to bring you down. And I think you know that. I also feel as if we've got like the 6 of Cups. I think the spirits are telling me like to, you know, go back a little bit, like, you know, like on your social side, start having a little bit of fun, get a little bit of playfulness back into you. You know, think back what you liked when you were a child, what you used to enjoy. Maybe you had some hobbies, maybe you know, do that to bring back them memories. Yeah, it's like going back to your roots, where you come from, and reliving back to where you come from, your roots. Then we've got the Ace of Swords, which is upright, and you're going to have new ideas, new plans, ability to succeed, and victory. And as I say, you are healing, you're going to have mental clarity. You're going to be able to concentrate again. There's going to be communication. You're going to realise the truth, the vision. You're going to see more. Take that blindfold off and you're going to be able to see and focus and understand and see through people a lot more, like stimulating people. You're going to do that intensively. Where's my speech gone today? Intensely. I still can't say it. What's going on? Intensity. You're going to do it with. Excuse me. Yeah, so I feel as if like you are going forward now. You are going to see things in a better perspective. You're able to see what's in front of you, where I don't think you've had that much going on in your life. There's been a big dark cloud over you you've not been able to see. But you're going to take off those rose-coloured sunglasses now and you're going to be able to see what's going on. What did you just say about like a perspective and that? We've got like the Queen of Swords that's come out. I think like you think a bit too much. And it dominates your feelings. You're an overthinker. You've got a good insight in life. Fair judgments. You like to make the right decisions. I think that's why you overthink, so you don't make them mistakes again. But now it's time to like think about yourself. Stand up for yourself. It's saying like about perspectiveness. I've just mentioned that then before this card come out and it just followed it. You know, you're starting to see that now. You're putting things into perspective. Who matters, who doesn't matter. Who saves you in life, who doesn't save you. You know, get rid of like any toxicity, any negative people that's around you. You're an intelligent person, man or woman. It's coming out as the Queen of Swords, but it could be either. And you're quite witty, you know, and you know, concentrate on that and let yourself go forward. And then underneath that, I've got you like moving on now. With the 8 of Cups. I feel as if you've had like a lot of disappointment. You feel like someone's abandoned you. Someone's took away your plans, maybe your future. Someone's walked away from you. But now, it's time for letting go. You're going to be travelling. But watch your money, as I said. And you're going to have self-discovery. I've had a lot of disappointments. And as I say, you're looking for the truth, but it is saying here that the truth is coming in. What else does my collective need to know, spirits? Please guide us. Please guide what else my collectives need to know. That come up that way? Is it that way? I think it did come up that way. Is that way? Yeah. We've got the moon, but it is in reverse. So you are releasing any fears you've got of moving forward. Unveiling secrets. Subsiding any anxiety. You're getting rid of anxiety. You're going to have that clarification of truth. Regaining composure again. And self-deception. You are going to move on. You are going to go forward. And move on without that fear and that leaving things behind from your past. And at the bottom we have got the Empress, but it's like actually in reverse. I feel as if it's left you like feeling this situation like very insecure, and it's took a lot of confidence out of you, and lack of growth. It's been very, what you've gone through has been very overbearing. Disharmony, negligence. I feel as if like you've been given more than what you've been receiving back. But as we say, you are going to come out in the good way. You have got some nice cards here as well, some that you need to look out for. What else does my collective need to know? What does she need to know to look forward to? What does she need to know? What's the outcome? So we're going to do 2 last cards here. What's the outcome, spirits? Help my collective move forward. Help my collective move forward, spirits. Let my collective know what she needs to do now for her best. Give her some guidance now to move forward. Ooh. Yeah. It was 3 cards anyway. Yeah, I feel as if like you've been like stabbed in your back, because we've got the 10 of Swords here. I feel like you've been betrayed. There's been like a lot of gossip. Someone's treated you. You feel like someone's failed you. They've treated you like some kind of doormat. There's been a lot of ruin in this relationship, and everything's like collapsed. You've gone through a lot of exhaustion, inability to cope. You felt like cursed. You felt like at rock bottom, and just like hitting a wall and coming to a dead end in this relationship. It's just like it's been going in a cycle. I think that was the final nail in the coffin now, and you are going to move forward, because the next card we've got is like restriction, which is like the 8 of Swords. You've been feeling trapped and restricted, backed into a corner, your hand, yeah, like if you're tied up, victimised. You've been like feeling paralysed by fear and terror, a lot of anxiety, feeling pressure, hopeless, helpless, powerless, silence. You've been going through a massive crisis. It's been nothing but drama. You felt like a bit imprisoned, like a slave, and this is what it is. But, you're wearing a blindfold, and you can untie yourself. You are free. It's just how you've made yourself feel. But the spirits are asking you to remove that blindfold, untie yourself and go forward, which you are. You're going forward. We've got like the 7 of Cups here. You're going to be seeing like a lot of options. I don't know whether that's like in relationships, work. There's like multiple possibilities and opportunities that's coming towards you. So you're going to have to be making some decisions. You're going to be getting like your wishful thinkings. So you know what you're wanting is going to come to you. Also, like try and meditate as well to heal yourself a little bit more, let out those bad vibes. Because I believe like this is a bit of karma that it's been going on here. And I think like the person that's going to come back, he's or she's left it like too late. There's too much happened. There's no going back. And you're going to get justice out of this, I've just said. Karmatic justice. And, there's going to be some kinds of imprisonment. These people or person that's done things to you, for no reasons at all. And he've put you through all this hell and heartbreak and made you feel rock bottom for no reasons at all. You know, you're just trying to work and make your money, minding your own business, and you've been pulled into all this drama. And it's took everything out of you. It really has. But we've got like the justice here. And he is going to balance out. And I feel as if like what he's done, he's helping you move forward. I believe that you've got spirits with you, your angels, that you know, they're fighting these demons and they're helping you, they're lifting you, and you are going to go forward with like lots of opportunities and that. But you do need to meditate as well, you know, to take away any of these bad vibes, or get some white sage and get that round your house. Absolutely amazing. I'm quite used to it now, but I feel quite relaxed. But when I did first use it, wow, do you know what? I felt the difference in my home, you know, as soon as I did, because I've cleansed my home out. I've had my own things going on, and I feel absolutely amazing. So, yeah, get some white sage. Okay, should we have a look there? What your angels are guiding. Let's see what your angels are guiding you to do. Angels, please send some messages for our collectives, please. Please let them know what you want them to know. Please guide them in the right way. Please guide them. What do they need to know? Yeah, you're going to be feeling now prosperity, contentment, and there's going to be like a lot of celebrations. Maybe you're going to be going out and socialising now. But yeah, things are moving forward for you. The angels want you to know that they are guiding you forward to happiness. And then we've also got like the chariot, which is like, you've got the willpower to do this, and you're going to get victory and recognition. You know, you're going to be recognised now. You know, when you do get out there, people are going to recognise who you are, and you are going to get like good recognition for that. So that's a positive for you. So I believe like you're a likeable person. Did say you were a bit witty as well, so maybe you like you. The same was what's it called? The mind, the soul of the party. Maybe one of them type of persons. You're gonna get all that back. What you've been lacking is coming back. What else do you want to tell them, angels? What else do you want to let my collectives know? Need my washing machine going at this time of night. Just thought I'll do it tonight, and then it's done for tomorrow morning, because I've got a very early start in the morning of work. Trying to make the minds up, these angels, what they need to tell you. Come on, angels, please. Quite big, these cards. Ooh. I think that's too much, that, so I'm going to take the first three. Yeah, we've got the Three of Water, which is like, it's a lovely card. Again, you are going to be out there socialising, celebration. You're going to be fitting yourself in the community, making new friendships. And, you know, we've got like a butterfly here, and it's like full of light. The light's over you, and everything's beautiful, butterflies. You're free. Your angels are saying, like, you know, free. We've got the Nine of Earth, which is like the Nine of Pentacles. So you've got like lots of opportunities. You're going to be very content and live like a very comfortable life, like luxury and full of independence, you know, full of abundance. Oh wow, yes. You've got the world. You can accomplish anything now. The world is there. The angels are letting you know that the world's are there. You're going to have celebrations and completion. Competition. So yeah, everything's going to be complete for you. The world's at your feet there. You are going forward. You've done a lot of thinking here, the angels are saying, and all this meditation and thinking that you've been doing has actually paid off, because now you've discovered who you are. You've gone through the introspection, so you've been able to see who you really are and got that self-discovery. You've been your own mentor, you know, to find this. You've had like a lot of alone time, and it's made you really see now who you really are. You are going forward in a lovely way, which I think you deserve. We've got the Page of Air, which in the upright, it's like a truthful person, outspoken. But it's in reverse. So I feel like, you know, you need that confidence. It's the angels are telling you, you know, if you need to speak out. You need to be truthful how you feel. You know, don't hold things back. You know, find that new you. Have the courage to go forward with that. You know, if something's not right, you need to speak out about it. Don't stay quiet. Don't let it eat you up. You know, speak out. Speak out. You don't have to agree with everything or accept everything, but you do need to speak out. What else, angels? What else does the collective need to know? What else does she need to know? Yeah, you're gonna come out gracious and capable. You're coming out here. It's like, if I look at it here, like, she's holding a handbag there, the Queen of Earth. And look at that, it's showing me like wealth. So you're going to come out really independent. You're going to be standing on your own 2 feet. You're going to be like a queen in your own right. You're going to withhold all this like work you put into yourself. You know it will be paying off. Because you're a very intelligent lady, as it's shown me here. And you're also determined to do that, so well done for you. The angels are saying that you're determined to turn your life around and be able to move on and go on a nicer path with peace and harmony. I want to see here what love messages you've got. Any love messages you've got? Oops. Any messages of love? Ooh. Intimacy. It's coming your way. Love is coming your way. It's a lovely card. Two people like bonding. It's like candles and flowers and bubbles and embrace. It's looking very nice, your future, or what's coming ahead. So be patient. Wouldn't surprise me now if we get the patient card now. Hard to pull out these. Oh, here we go. Just what I needed. Yeah, we've got the silver waterfall here. There's been a lot of tears. But as you can see, the waterfall's flowing down. The tears are coming down. And you're seeing that light. You know, there is, you are going to see that light at the end of the tunnel. It's going to be a beautiful outcome. Like the butterflies, or like the water. There's a big rainbow there behind you. You're going to see a rainbow. We've got like light purpose as well, which is coming in reverse. So it's like you're not able to see this. You might be stuck now. You're not able to see this. But, you know, the cards are saying, they're telling me what's coming towards you. And it's leading you to the right path. And it's saying, you've got like, you're coming through with self-respect. You're going to respect yourself. You are going forward on the right path. If you can see that, it's like a castle, but it's got like little love hearts on it as well. So you are leading and the light's shining. The light is shining on you. You are going down the right path now, and you're being guided as well by your angels. See a little angel, like a little Tinkerbell there. And you have got the moon, the stars, and the sun. I feel as if, like, on the bottom of the pack here, we've got resolving conflict. I think that's the hurt, like, you've gone through, like, in the past. You've been trying to offer love to someone, but if you look at him, he's looking the other way. She's given her heart to him, but he's not interested. And I think that's, you know, part of your heartbreak. You've had to heal from this to enable you to go forward. But you have. You have. You've given your heart, and I think that's why you're not able to see your life purpose now. Like, I believe, like, you really truly love this person, but you were getting nothing back. You're giving him his heart, he's looking the other way. You're getting nothing back off him. So you're all in right, you know, to pick yourself up, move on. Move on to what doesn't serve you. You know, it's hard, very hard when you love someone and you can't, like, make them steps to move on. You know, you've got to heal first, heal yourself, start to love yourself. And that's why I'm saying, like, to do some meditation as well. You know, to you know, time for yourself, time to think, know what you truly want in life. And I think you're starting to know now, because we did get all your, you have, like, seen the perspective on life. Let me just draw some love messages. This is the Hidden Truth Oracle. This is the Hidden Truth. Let's see what love messages you've got for you. Too many. Yeah, these are flipped over. Now, this person from the past, I feel like he's regretted, because he's saying here, or she's saying, I wish I had treated you better. And so many things, he can't take you off his mind, because so many things are reminding him of you. He's saying he hid who I really am from you. Maybe you're in contact with this person and you're like, you know, you're being civilised. Because we did see, like, there was children involved as well. We did see that, didn't we, earlier on? But this person's wanting to be more than friends. He's saying to you, he wants to be more than friends. He's saying he lost himself. I lost myself for a little while. My life is not together as it seems. Wow. And then again, we've got two of the same cards. I want to be more than friends. So he's wanting a relationship. He's wanting, like, some kind of reunion with you. He doesn't want a friendship. He wants to try again. But, you know, that's going to be up to you. We can't decide on that. But as I say, with the Devil card coming out on it a few times, you know, just be careful. But I think you will be now. I think you've got your eyes open. You know what you want. You know what you don't want. You know what you're going to accept. You know what you're not going to accept. You've been through a massive heartbreak. And you've healed yourself now. Your eyes are open. And what you've been through, you're not going to live that again. You're not going to let anyone treat you in that way again. Once you see them red flags, you're off, love. You know, I think it's been a lesson in life. This has been a lesson in life. Maybe for the two of yous, I don't know. Because this person here now, he's realising what he's lost. But he is still coming up as the devil. But it may not be bad. It may have good intentions. Maybe that one where you were trying to give him your heart and he doesn't want it. Maybe, like, he's had time to think and realise what he's lost. And this is how he's feeling. Or maybe he's not been truthful to you, how he feels. I do feel like there has been, like, a lack of communication as well in this relationship. And you need that. I've learned that myself. You do need communication and understanding and balance. So that's what I've got for you for tonight. I hope it resonated with anyone. If you'd like to leave any comments for me, that would be greatly appreciated. I'm just building now my page. I've been getting into the tarot. I've been like a psychic for years, but I've never ever used it really. And each time now I'm getting better and better. And I'm doing like private readings as well for like people, friends, and also for like friends of friends. And I'm getting really good feedback. So it's given me that like gift. I'm believing I have got that gift to be able to be a guide and a healer, to help people, because I wish, well, I did go through things myself, and then, you know, I went through the spiritual side, and I've come out absolutely amazing now. And I don't know how I'm here today for what I've been through, but I did it, and I'm proud of myself, and I'm going forward, and I just hope this gives you some guidance for you to go forward, you know, to enable you to go forward. You know, take that time out for yourself. You know, do some meditation. Love yourself. Get that love back into yourself. Because if you don't love yourself, then you cannot love anyone else. So you do need to love yourself to be able to move on. I'd like to thank the spirits and the angels for guiding me through this reading. Thank you so much, and please bless this reading. I'd like to thank my collectives for taking the time to listen. I do like to do a long reading because we get a little bit more out, then a little bit more information as well to help guide. But I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope it does resonate with some of you. It's not going to resonate with anyone. Please click the like button, and please subscribe, because I will be posting daily now, daily readings. And I hope you've enjoyed it. And thank you very much for watching. You take care and have an absolutely amazing weekend. Don't get too drunk. And we'll see you again, hopefully tomorrow. Good night, everyone.